This is something that is truly a gift to build. So I'm giving you the blank slate to build your proactive routine. I encourage you to think about your time budget. Where do you need to spend your time? That number will vary depending on the week. This is going to take a little bit of reflection time, so treat yourself to a coffee, close your door, reflect on how you're trying to build your life. And this principle applies to your personal life as well. Right? Like, so if you find yourself too overcommitted on the weekend, you're not having enough downtime, then think about, when do you want to fit different things into your life? Are you trying to read more? Are you trying to spend more time with friends and family? Are you trying to adopt a meditation habit? Right? Are you trying to get more sleep? Right? Because we do know that a full night's sleep, and how many hours is a full night's sleep? 8-ish. I mean, you might be 7.5, you might be 8.5. You know your sleep number, but it's not 6. Right? You can get by on 6 hours of sleep, but you're not going to thrive on 6 hours of sleep. And we know that it's not optimal for your health. So this is about setting your life up to thrive. So if you're telling yourself you don't have time for a full night's sleep, then I would suggest you change your story. Because you do have time for a full night's sleep. It's just a matter of figuring out how you're going to make the time for that and make that one of your big rocks, your priority. This is something that I'll be realistic and I mean, in a perfect world, all of you would go and create your proactive routine. But I know that not everyone's going to create this, just because that's what I've seen out there. I would suggest that you be the exception to that. This is a habit of the world's most productive people. This is a strategy. So I'm passionate about studying how busy people run their lives. Like, how do people fit so much? How do they do so much in the same 24/7 that the rest of us have? And this is absolutely a theme of the world's most productive people, who are also sleeping a full night. So I would suggest that you adopt this habit of the productivity superstars and give yourself the gift of building your routine.